Hi, I'm Chris from Henelect, and today I'm going to show you how to save money on your utility bill. This meter is showing how much wasted energy this unit is sitting idle because data system power technology has evolved. And by eliminating this piece of equipment, we're going to save the customer over $4,000. No longer we need to convert from AC to DC. That's wasted energy. In 2005, our company Henelect installed the largest battery backup in New Jersey at 1.6 megawatt.
I'm going to show you how to get rid of this device. Okay? We're actually not going to get rid of the device. We're just going to take it offline. We're going to bypass this device so that it doesn't use any energy at all. This stuff that's in here that's running, all these transformers taking AC to DC, this is all wasted energy right here. On the battery bank, this is on. I'm going to shut it off. It should go into an alarm when I shut that off. So I already have it off. Okay, so this is a Mitsubishi 2033D series UPS. So here we have the individual loads that come out for the data center equipment for the L630Rs. You can see all this cabling.